I'm just not going to have names. I'm going to have A, B, C, D, E. These are our go routines. And as indicated, we have this notion of a group or a wait group. Okay, so they're all kind of organized together into a wait group. Okay. And we also have our match channel. Okay, so maybe I should make this in a very different color so we understand that this is not part of the wait group, but this is our channel called match. Okay. The main go routine is simply going to launch all those go routines, and then it's just going to wait until they are done. Okay. And it's waiting on 5 things to report that they're done. We go back to the seek function. Every time one person is done, they tell the wait group, I'm done. And we can see the wait group is here. It has a certain size, the length of the people, and the main go routine is waiting on it to finish. So it waits for all 5 go routines to do their thing. Okay. So in terms of the go routines doing their thing, what's going to happen is they all have a random amount of time they wait before they start. So they start simultaneously, but they have an amount of time they wait. So let's say, for sake of argument, E goes first. It's going to get to its select statement, and it's essentially going to ask the question, is the match channel, is it empty? Is there something in there to read? Okay, imagine the current state of this is empty. Or is it full? Is there something there in that channel? Okay, the first time this runs, okay, it's going to be empty. Okay, so we will put our name into the channel. Okay, then let's say randomly that C catches up. Okay, and it does, each of them does the same thing. I'll just put E and F for the possibility here for this select statement. Okay, so this time there's something in this channel. Okay, so we're actually going to take out that value because the state of the channel, there's something in here. Okay, so we're actually going to print, and it's C plus E is going to get printed. And then both of these go routines, once they've actually done their thing, will say that they're done. Okay, so this was done and this was done. Okay, so we went after E, there was 4 we're waiting for. After C, there was 3 we're waiting for. Okay. Okay, so the channel is now empty again. On random pick, let's say A goes. I like my random algorithm of moving my hand around. Okay, ask the same question. Is there something to read from the channel, or is it full? And the channel's empty, so we can actually put our name in there, and it's A in this case. Okay. Let's say randomly that D goes next. And by this stage, I've sort of seen all the different permutations, what can happen. Ask the question, is it empty or full? Okay, we take that value out and we can print that, what was on D? And A got matched together. Okay, and again, both D and A are now done. They would have called that. So our counter of done things is running down. Okay, it's only one thing left. Okay, the only change then is the final go routine asks the same question. Is this empty or full? Okay, it is empty. Okay, so we put our name in there, which was B. But say we're done, but now everything is done. So the main go routine will do the final bit of its code, which I've now completely forgotten, but we can go back and look at it. It will simply select on the channel. If there's a name left there, then print out. This is the rather sad message that someone never got matched up. Okay, so one of the really important things to notice is that the channel is buffered. Okay, this is one of these blink and you miss it moments. Okay, so this means that a go routine can come along. If this is empty, if there's nothing in the channel, put something into the buffer and don't block. Okay, so each of these Go routines, if there's nothing in the channel, they can just put their name in and there's no block. It doesn't wait for someone to read that message. Okay. So then they can just simply move on and report that they're done. Okay. So even though there's not a lot of lines of code in this, really the new thing we're looking at is using wait groups to coordinate several Go routines as they're trying to get matched. Again, from the sync package, the wait group is